Welcome to this short video on Tricentis Tosca's integration with Applitools. In this video, we will demonstrate how the combination of these two market-leading solutions will deliver automated visual testing. Integrated visual testing is performed during the execution of an automated test case in Tosca. Let me run this automated test case on our sample insurance application. As a part of this test execution, Tosca is taking screenshots of relevant web pages within the test flow, communicating to Applitools through their API and enabling visual testing. This is achieved through the implementation of a pre-built special execution task at specific test steps within the test case. In this pricing table, we are functionally verifying the quote amount as well as visually verifying the layout. On the completion of test execution, we will get a detailed report indicating the status of all functional and visual verification steps. If there are any visual verification failures as identified by Applitools, note these will be reported back to the Tosca user interface, including an Applitools URL to aid with root cause analysis. On opening the Applitools URL that has been communicated back to Tosca, we will be able to inspect the visual test results in detail. As you can see, Applitools has detected some inconsistency in the enter vehicle data step. If you zoom in on the image, you get the differences against the baseline. In this case, the pop-up message is missing, the number against the enter vehicle data tab is different, and the value of the make is different. In order to take a screenshot and perform a visual test, you select the pre-built screenshot module for Applitools, drag and drop it in the test case, and change the position depending on where in the test flow you want to perform the visual test. As a part of the module, you will need to provide the resource name used to create the session at the beginning of the test, the test step name, and the caption of the window on which you want to perform the visual test. You can also store all Applitools parameters as part of the test configuration parameters in Tosca for easier maintenance. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.